Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello everybody, thanks for jumping back into another video. Aave is doing something really exciting at the moment and we're going to talk about that in a second. As we can see, looking at the value locked in lending platforms, we can see Aave has still got 10.6 billion locked in, even though the market cap is less than that. That's really quite exciting, and this is the V2, so this is before V3 is even launched, and I think this is something super exciting. It'd also be great if you can subscribe to the channel. That'd be awesome if you can subscribe, that will make me very happy, and also join the Discord in the description down below if you want to be involved with some talking, and we discuss charts and things like that. So Aave is really doing something quite exciting. We rank 52, $290 for market cap of 3.8 billion. You can see the total value locked here is actually 15.6. However, I think this is more accurate for some reason, the 10 billion over here. And that's really quite tremendous to see, Aave. Anyway, if we jump into this charting analysis in a moment, I can show you why it's doing something really exciting. But just bear with me. So over the 30 days, we're still up 23.6%. And over the day, we're up a nice 5%. And the reason I'm excited is because we're back at that area, reminding me of this June period where we were oversold again, and we're in a nice uptrend. I mean, look at that on the daily. Look at that daily time frame. We're really seeing a good, strong bunch of candles over here, and we're not overbought yet on the RSI. We've still got some good volume coming in. Sorry, just a quick sip of the old water. So yeah. Basically, Aave has broken through this critical resistance level at 190, and if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we're not really seeing any bearish divergence. That looks terrifying. I mean, yes, we've got the higher high, we've got the lower high on the RSI, but I don't think it's terrifying. But what is more important here is that we finally come back up to this key resistance level of 218, where I've got this accumulation box where lots of support has been found and also resistance at the same time. As you can see, if you just scroll through there with your eyes, you see a lot of resistance and a lot of support, and we're back at this level. And I am anticipating that we do break through this area of resistance, but I just don't know when exactly. And I think, if we look at the 15-minute time frame here, is it possible that we do get head and shoulders? Is this perhaps the head here that we're now forming? Are we going to see a right shoulder soon before breaking out into the resistance over to 255? But if we look at the 15-minute time frame, we can see that we had this descending channel, we had this flagpole, we had this bull flag. We've got another bull flag here, guys. This is looking seriously strong, and if we break out to the upside, that's going to put us exactly where we need to be. Through the resistance up here, another 7% increase, £230 is where we're going to be. So if we hop into that 4-hour time frame, we can see that if we do break out this bull flag, if we break to the upside, we're going to be over here at 228. That's if we don't come back down first. So if we lose the support, I think we form a bit of a head and shoulders, come down, retest support, form that right shoulder, and then break through perhaps, or we fall back down all the way to 152. Don't think it's likely with the strength of this uptrend and the volume that we've seen. But yeah, very keen to see what's going to happen here with Aave. We're up 8% on the day now, we can see. And I think this is tremendous. Absolutely insane. So we're going to see some big gains for Aave if we can break out this bull flag. And I'd like to see that at the end of this daily candle, we still have 6 hours left on the daily. And that is what I'm anticipating, because once we break through this resistance, we get back to this area of resistance, I think we do come through up to 260 over here, and then the next levels will be of course 320, and then all the way up to 452 pounds as well. So let's just hop back into that 15-minute. We can see right now we're trying to bust back through that upper channel, that resistance zone over here, and we can see that the RSI is just slightly dipping off, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but the volume is also slowly falling away. So we do need to get a bit of volume in order to see the momentum, the continuation, to be able to break out with some strength. But other than that, all looking good, and I'm very excited to see what's going to happen with Aave over the next few days. Big things can happen. Lots of resistance here once again at that 2.5, 260 level. And I think once we break through this area, that's where we come up to that 260. Otherwise, you know, we come back down to here. But the conclusion really is now matters a lot. What happens next matters so much. If we come through this resistance, we're going to have so much upside potential. If we come back down, then it's going to be more trading sideways and yeah, a little bit more fear in the market, I think, but it very much depends what Bitcoin decides to do. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe because that really helps, and leave a like. That would be great. Hopefully see you in the next video, and yeah, do join the Discord. Thank you. Bye now.